ezyZip.
How to compress M4A file. Go to ezyZip.com, then click on Compress, Audio, and navigate to Compress M4A file. Enter your desired file size in MB or in percentage, and click Next. You will be redirected to the correct file compression page. Click Select M4A file to compress to open the file chooser, or drag and drop the M4A file directly onto ezyZip. Click Compress M4A. It will start the compression process, which will take some time to complete. Click on Save M4A file to save the compressed M4A file to your selected destination folder. It's that easy. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us.